All right, language explorers. So let's have a look at today's Tuesday verb. So express, express, express. To share something, to share something. Mainly emotion or desire, a feeling. I always express my thoughts. She can express her feelings. I won't express my ideas. No. He liked to express the plan. Yes, they need to express the plan so we know what they are going to do. Yeah, how cool is that? Very good. Yeah. She expressed her love. He knows how to express his love. Yes. It was expressing its desire. Yeah. Its wants, its needs. Do you know how to express that in Spanish? Because I can express a lot of things, thoughts, ideas, concepts in English, but I can't express everything in Spanish. Yeah. Yet I can in English. Can what? Can express. Can express my thoughts. Everything in English. He should express it later on tonight. He has to express his ideas, otherwise they're going to be in trouble. He has to express his ideas, otherwise they will be in trouble. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. So, express, to share something. Express the anger, the sorrow, the happiness. Express the confusion. Express the joy. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? So, can you use express in a sentence? Can you write it in the comments below? Like the video. Subscribe to the channel. More videos to come. More lessons to come. And you can find me on YouTube, Facebook, Telegram and Udemy by searching English with Adrian and Adrian Nanchev. Yeah, how cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.